Repeat your phone just a minute. No check, you got my phone.
My phone.
Charger. No, you're there.
If you're good, charger.
Yeah.
That's all. That's what most areas are so.
Let's go do well.
Yeah.
I'll play somebody here for now.
Yeah, short.
Support is getting cold. You just high. You just see something. So I told her somewhere.
Morning. Senders.
What's up?
So. Can I just jump small? Yeah. Kamuka. It's John.
Johnny? No.
John, really good. Good. Where does he stay? Upstairs.
Upstairs.
John, really good.
What did I pass in?
Yeah, well, it was. Yeah, we can make other copies. It's fine. So keep this toner. Once that finishes, you take out. You're gonna take out. You replace it. Yeah, I think the sensor had some issues with detoness and stuff. Okay. So well guys, we're done with this. So it was showing 3 and this. That means the ink had a problem. Sometimes the ink is full but it can't, so which means the sensor has an issue. So once the sensor is, sometimes you can, if you don't have a second toner, just clean the sensor. It could work, or change the sensor. That could be one of the tricks. Yeah, we're facing the same issue, but that's what we're gonna try to do. It's fine. Also gonna clean up the machine. Yeah. So what you can do also, take out this.
Yes.
Throw that away. So you can see this part is full of ink, so we're gonna clean it. You got to clean this part first. Sometimes when it's full of ink, it can't work. So click here. See, press here. There's some noise, but don't worry. Focus on what I do, what you see. What I'm doing. Okay. The people working. See how dirty it was. But it's gonna be fine. It will be fine. Even the rollers, if you can, try your best to do what? To clean them. Hello? Okay. We can see even see here everything. Whenever you see any ink clean, if I see any ink clean,
that's why it looks so long. There's a thing people are going.
I opened up page 8, so this. Oh, now okay.
There's enough.
Shema Bushangi.
Uzothi masungifowunela bese ngiyathumela ingane le-CD emanga bese uqedile ukuze sishintshane. Ayithi phela
let's try to do back what we did based on what we tried to do. Okay. We'll put this back. Before we put it back, we have to try our best to do. This is something maybe you can go wash, make it dry, and yeah. Okay. Same as I want the drum. Okay, it's gonna put the drum. You see.
I mean, grade 12. Grade 12. Grade 11 after break.
Okay. It's down. Wait, I want you to switch on this. I'm not sure. Is this thing supposed to put it up? Okay, it's up. Yeah, it's fine. Okay, that's right.
Yes, I'm taking somebody's and
Okay, we've done the first batch. We're gonna do other papers. Do more copies.
Yeah.
Do more copies, we see.
The original. Kai missing 8 then? 2 minutes, 2 minutes.
It's creating a new master.
just we are that.
Shag. Fill up.
So we are how is a bit to be because not take
So now what we're gonna do, we're gonna put back the old toner, we see. Okay, I'm taking out this. I'm gonna get the old one, try to put it back, we see if it's gonna work for us. If it works, then you know.
Okay, but you know for this line, it says
Okay.
Uzomthumela manje.
Can
Lezi
you
ungazenza late.
Alright.
you can see the old toner is giving us issues. You can see
Lawo leyo nkonzo.
it has issues.
Kune ezizo
Okay.
uzotshela umntwana ukuthi ngicela ukuthi uzenze
Nawo
manje.
amaphepha ngizela ngaphansi.
Okay,
Yes, lokho
it's
yes.
fine.
Yeah.
We won't go in there. So you saw that is the ink, and also
Linengadi la kwa
the problem of too much dirt onto those rollers. So I cleaned them, and there's no more issues.
Lo nalo.
So now you can see we're gonna do another copy.
Ungezofuna ngizofuna iti manje kumele
Oh.
No, I can find tea.
Umile.
It was name. I want to find that.
Ngizona thina sibale sizokwazi
Because I saw it.
But if
It's creating a new master.
Okay.
Guys, no issues we made now. We're gonna make almost 100 copies after doing that, so it means all is fine. Wow, that's good, guys. So I think that was it. So it's gonna make other 100, but it's fine. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, guys.